Hello, fourth graders. This is Brianna. I hope that you all are well. Today we are going to start with Unit 7 of English, which is titled Curtain Up. So we're going to be learning about theater and entertainment. I think some of the vocabulary words will be familiar to you, meaning that you will know some of the words, but some of them might be new also. So pay close attention and listen and repeat the words. Okay, so number 1, stage. Stage. This here is the stage. Curtains. Curtains. These are the curtains. 3, audience. Audience. The people that come to watch a show or a performance make up the audience. 4, cast. Cast. The cast is made up of all of the actors and actresses. So I think in 3rd grade, you guys learned actor and actress, and together this group is called the cast. Okay? 5, director. Director. You guys know what this is. It's the same in Spanish, right? Director. 6, costumes. Costumes. The same. We all wear costumes every year on Halloween and Carnaval, so you guys know this word already. 7, backstage. Backstage. So this word is pretty clear. Back, right, means behind, and stage, the stage. So it's behind, it's at the back of the stage. The backstage is at the back of the stage. 8, lighting. Lighting. The lighting helps us to see the actors that are on stage, helps us see the cast. 9, props. Props. These are the props. In a show, you can see many different props. The props help to make the scene more realistic, more believable, right? So we have here masks and a hat, crown, chairs. All of these things are props. Some shows have a lot of props and some don't have many at all. 10, scenery. Scenery. This is the scenery. The scenery is the picture or the scene that we can see behind the actors to create a very believable atmosphere, right? So that we can feel like we are in the forest or in a castle, etc. This is the scenery. 11, cheer. Cheer. Cheering is what you do at the end of a show. If you enjoy the show, you cheer for the cast. And also, of course, for the director who put together the show, etc. And number 12, act. Act. This is not new. This is a verb, right? Actors act. People act. Easy peasy. Okay, so now that we know all of the new vocabulary, let's practice. You have to read the description and guess the correct vocabulary word. So, the first, the people who are watching the show are the audience. Audience. So all of these people that have come to see the show make up the audience. The people who are acting in the show are the cast. The cast. Remember what I said before. The cast is made up of individual actors and actresses. So together, this group of actors and actresses is called the cast. The place which is at the back of the stage and behind the curtains is backstage, right? This one is super easy because it's at the back of the stage, backstage. The person who tells the actors what to do is the director, the director. At the end of the show, what does the audience do? They cheer, right? Cheer. All of these people right now are cheering. The audience is cheering. The pictures at the back of the stage form the scenery. Scenery. So here the scenery is what seems to be a town. But there are many different types of sceneries. What allows the actors to be seen on stage? What is this called here? The lighting. Lighting allows the actors to be seen while they are on stage. And the last one. Actors use these things to make their performances more realistic. What are these items, these things here, called? Props. Props. All right, and that is all for today. Super easy. Make sure that you study all of these words and you also study the spelling because spelling is just as important as knowing the words on their own. All right, guys, I will see you soon. Have a great day. Bye.